Now, you've probably noticed from the intro of the video and also from the title that this video is a little bit different to my normal uploads. Now, I am so excited to share with you a little secret that I've been keeping, and that is that I'm having a baby. Now, I'm currently just over 5.5 months pregnant. He's due in February, so we have just over 3.5 months to go. Alex and I are so excited, and we can't wait for February to be here so that we can meet him. Now, I've never really gone into personal things on the channel, so this is a little bit strange to me, but there was something that I wanted to mention, and this is kind of from my own personal experience. Now, you may have noticed at the beginning of the year, my videos became a little bit sporadic and kind of lost their normal upload pattern, and this was actually because we were going through IVF. Now, this has been a long time coming and something that we have wanted for a really long time, and we did struggle with. And I just wanted to mention this in the video because I have been aware that when you upload videos like this, it can be so exciting, but if you are going through something like that, and I know from my own experience, it can be a little bit sad if things are not happening for you. So I kind of just wanted to mention it to kind of say, if you are going through something like that, I just want to send you all my love and wish you all the luck in the world. I honestly can't express to you just how thankful we are, and how thankful we are to the amazing doctors and nurses that have taken care of us over the last year to get to this point, and to know that we're 3.5 months away from meeting him. Oh, it just is amazing. So what does this mean for the channel? Now, obviously this is a massive life update for me, and it's gonna be a bit of a learning curve as I've never had a baby before. So I realized that I'm gonna need to take a little bit of time off. Now, I wanted to put this video out to assure you guys that even if my videos drop off for a while, I'm not going anywhere. I absolutely love creating and uploading these videos for you guys, and I am so grateful for your support over the years that I've been uploading them. Now, you may have noticed recently, over the last few months, I kind of went from weekly uploads to every 2 weeks. And this has been kind of just to give me a little bit more time. The videos can sometimes take days to film, and then I need to edit them and upload them. And being a little bit pregnant, it just became a little bit more of a time-consuming thing to film the videos. So by doing them every 2 weeks, this has just given me a little bit more time, and also I'm really hopeful that I can actually film a few more videos so that when I do need to take some time off, there will be some videos that I can upload for you guys. So I just really wanted to assure you that even if you stop seeing videos being uploaded for a while, especially around the time that he's due and a little bit after, I'm not going anywhere. There will be more videos to come, I promise. Now, as I've got you here, one thing that I did want to get your opinion on is what you think about the possibility of adding a few different kind of videos onto the channel. And by this, I mean some different type of craft videos. Now, you may have noticed over the past year there have been a few cricket videos on the channel, which I have loved making so much, and I'd love to do a few more of those and some other craft type videos too. Now, as cake decorators, we're usually very creative people, and for me, I love having a go at different crafts and trying things out, and I wondered if you wanted to see this on the channel. Maybe you do cakes as a hobby and you'd like to try some other things too, or maybe cake decorating was your hobby and now you do it as a business, so you'd like to find something else creative that you can do too. Now, one thing that I have noticed, especially looking through Instagram at different crafts that people do, is a lot of the times different crafts may use exactly the same tools that we use for cake decorating. So I'd love to explore that a little bit more, how we can use tools that we already have and maybe just change the medium that we're using them for. Now, please don't worry, the cake tutorials are not going anywhere. These are just some additional videos that I was thinking about adding onto the channel, but I would love to know how you feel about it. Is this something that you would enjoy and like to watch? And also, if this is, what type of crafts would you like to see? Now, please do let me know in the comments below what you think of this, and I'll also put a poll over on my community page so you can go over there and let me know what you think. Now, I just want to finish by saying a massive thank you to you guys for supporting the channel over the last few years. Thank you so much for watching the videos, liking the videos, and for leaving comments. Please bear with me over the next few months while I try and find my feet on this new adventure that we're embarking on. I am so excited for what's to come and also for what's to come on the channel. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.